Hi Yusuf sir and welcome to Film Fair Middle
Hi,
East.
thank you.
So many questions to ask you about, your journey in Bollywood, heading security for so many celebrities. कहाँ से शुरुआत करें?
जहाँ से आपको शुरुआत करनी है
15 years से you've been in Bollywood. So was Bollywood always on mind? Yeah. How did it start? Let's start from the beginning then.
It just happened suddenly one day. I had an incident with Shah Rukh sir. So वहाँ से I thought of getting into close protection thing. Then I started this business. And the first client was Shah Rukh sir. So that's how it went on.
But you are heading security for Alia and Ranbir now.
No, not Ranbir actually. I had security for Alia. And I take care of Varun Dhawan, Arjun Kapoor, Dharma Production, all this.
Wow. What is the most exciting thing about your job? Tell me. Like, you're obviously, हमें तो glamour वाला party दिखाई देता है that you are with the celebrity, but we have also seen the back end of it where, you are like trying to protect them, making sure the fans don't get too close, the crowd control. What is that? What is it that keeps you going?
See, the way you love your family, the way you take care of your family, it happens the same way with them. Like you've been working with them for 12 hours in a day, non-stop for a month or 2 months for shoots and everything. So the bond builds up. So you automatically, job plus, कि भाई ये family नहीं, I need to protect them. That's how it goes on hand in hand.
Right, right.
Yeah. So job is good, interesting. It's very interesting.
Challenging aspect क्या होता है? मतलब when you are handling so much of crowd, we've seen.
चैलेंजिंग ऐसा है कि whatever we plan, there are times कुछ ना कुछ अलग सिनेरियो अलग हो जाता है फैंस की तरफ से या क्राउड की तरफ से या वट एवर इफ यू गो फॉर इवेंट इवेंट कंपनी गाइज का कुछ goof up, something that on the spot we need to analyze and just solve this thing and just keep going.
How do you maintain that balance, कि जहाँ पे fans are also not kind of roughed up, especially because social media is always on, they're scrutinizing everything
No,
about
not
the
scrutinize.
celebrity.
They are there to just troll. They don't scrutinize. They don't see what's going behind, what happened, what was the scenario at that time. They just need to troll people. They are doing their job. Let them do. It's good. Whatever they say, we learn from that. कि okay, ये ध्यान रखना चाहिए, mistakes हो नहीं ऐसी. Mistakes तो हम लोग 99.9% we avoid, interacting with fans or push them away. We make sure that things are barricaded before we walk in.
Right, right.
Yeah, that's very important for us. Things are properly managed by the local security, whoever there. We brief them before going to the event.
Right.
Okay, this has to be done. So it's day-to-day work. So it's easy going,
Okay.
Nothing
So
much.
basically the security is not just the physical aspect of it, but a lot of planning goes behind.
Yeah, definitely a lot of planning goes like whichever artist I work with, they need really extra care because they have huge fan following.
Right, right, right.
So we do plan, I do plan, I go beforehand to the venue, I check the venue, then in and out, then plan A, plan B, plan A entry, plan B exit, all these things have to be worked out and has to be kept here. So
Right.
according to the situation, I use it and I take them out or take them in whichever way it's easier for us.
Right, right. But being with a celebrity, working with them is a 24/7 kind of a job. So how do you kind of balance that out with family time, आपके vacations?
Yeah, वो हो जाता. That's not a problem. Whenever they are on vacation, I can be on vacation with my family. Whenever they are working, see, technically, I travel with them for events and all those stuff. For shoots, I have my people working and going for shoots for the
Right.
daily 12 hours or whatever hours. So I have my time. I have me time for me, no problem.
Any interesting anecdote that or not maybe interesting, but something that you can recall and share with our viewers, like something that happened out of the blue that even kind of.
Yeah, only once it happened. Like we went to Ajmer Sharif Dargah with Shah Rukh sir. So it's being a Friday namaz time. There were around 15 to 20,000 people easily in that vicinity.
जी, जी.
Plus people of Ajmer knowing that Shah Rukh Khan is going to be there, so they all were there.
Right.
So that time planning and A, plan B, plan C didn't work at all. People just pushed us inside the dargah, and after coming out from there, they just pushed us inside the car. This is what happened. No planned work that time. But you had to be just around with Shahrukh sir holding him and just taking him away.
But at a time like that, do you personally kind of, you know,
Yeah, I do panic because that's my job.
Right.
There's safety. I do panic. I try give my extra effort to make sure they just
make, yeah.
be there wherever they have to be.
Okay, tell me a little interesting bit about these celebrities among the ones that you worked with. Who are your personal favorites?
My personal favorites are two of them, Varun Dhawan and Alia Bhatt.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm with them from since the Student of the Year,
right, right.
and Varun is very, very, very chilled out guy. Yeah, and Alia is also sweetheart, very sweet she is.
Right. So, like you said earlier, you know, they are like family for you, and you know, the kind of protection that you're giving them comes very straight from the heart, kind of a
Yeah,
thing.
yes.
But what about, you know, the ones who aspire to be someone like you? What is your, you know, advice to them? A lot of them also feel that, oh, it's such a glamorous job, you know,
It
you
is
get to
not a
be with
glamorous.
the,
No, it's not glamorous. It's not for security. It's not glamorous.
not at all.
Not at all. We have to be on our toe.
So, what is the kind of advice you'd want to give
Advice
anyone
would be
who wants
hard
to
work,
get in?
dedication, honesty. These three things would see. For in the security field, a guy like me, slim guy, working with such big stars, it all comes from here. Being hefty and rough, that doesn't work.
Right,
You have
right,
to,
right.
be sweet to people. अपना काम बाहर निकाल लो बातचीत करके धक्का मार के ये करके वो करके it doesn't work. It's going to end up fights and all those stuff which I and my company completely avoids it. We make sure कि जो भी काम प्यार मोहब्बत से होता है उससे पहले करो बाकी बाद में.
Right. Also, confidentiality is a huge matter of concern with.
100%. We cannot leak. I mean, I get a lot of call from paparazzi कि आज कहाँ जा रहे, आज कहाँ गए. ये मैं कुछ पता नहीं मेरे को ये बारे में फ़ोन भी नहीं करना, पूछना भी नहीं. और फिर कहीं भी जा रहे इवेंट में तो I don't even let my close team people also know कि how I'm going to take them out. Back gate से या lift से anybody can leak out the information. So you'll find the complete crowd lobby से उठ के back door पे आके
Correct,
आ जाएगा. तो I don't tell anybody. I just keep it to myself. When artist comes out of the hotel room, I just take them from wherever I want to take.
Right. So, ये तो हुआ challenging part. But what is the aspect that you love about your job?
See, people really like for one fan side say they want to be close to them, they want to talk to them. और ये चीज़ मेरे लिए easy access है.
Right.
Yeah, I am close to them. I talk to them. So I love that. और मैं देखता हूँ लोगों को कैसा पागलपन है स्टार्स के लिए, the fans लोग का. तो मैं देखता हूँ कि मेरे को तो कितना easy access है. I talk to them, I sit and eat with them. I move around with them. I fly
Right.
charter flights with them. साथ में गाड़ी में बैठा हूँ. It's like, yeah, good, अच्छा है.
Right, right. But कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि you know like as human beings, you know, you're treating each other like family and everything. तो कभी-कभी हो जाता है कि you know, for example, you know that the artist is going through something personally. So has it ever happened that you have kind of stepped in and said, कि, you know, given a little bit of personal counseling or one of those things as a
I mean, I do what I'm supposed to do. I do my job. I don't interfere because वो अगर personal time पे अगर वो कुछ upset है, कुछ उनका personal चल रहा है और मैं कुछ advice देने जाऊँ, it fires back या they don't like it. I don't want that. मेरे को जो काम दिया गया, what my role is, I'll play that. Simple. और वहाँ रहना तो I will be there with them. But I won't give any टिप्पणी from my side कि ऐसा करो ये करो. No. They have their own people. They have their family. They will guide them through.
Right,
They know them better. मैं कुछ ना I don't get into. I'm very professionally. I work with them. Whenever I'm called, वहाँ से time to time work and I quietly go in my room, chill.
Right, right. So has it ever happened that you know you have you ever kind of had Bollywood dreams of your own? In the sense कि
Yeah, everybody, every Indian, I'm sure, every Indian,
It's either
every,
Bollywood or cricket.
every Asian, Pakistani, everybody has this dream of being like Bollywood. Like you see movies like Dilwale Dulhaniya, you feel you are Raj, Everybody has that
Raj
Raj
and
Simran
Simran.
thing, yeah. So yeah, it was always I was fascinated from Bollywood. लेकिन by Allah's grace, इसी में मिल गया अच्छा खासा break. Everything is good.
right, right. But you did not start. This is not like your first profession out of choice. So how did that come across? Like
Yeah, I was into some other profession, into travel field that was not working out properly. So I thought I'll give a shot to some other thing. This came in between by luck, and Alhamdulillah, it's well off now.
Right, and you've been here for 15 years in
Yes.
Bollywood. Wow. So what's the plan ahead? Like, are you?
Plan and be with these guys where till whatever time I can, till the time my body gives support.
But also, you know, each celebrity that you handle, उनके हर किसी का temperament भी बहुत अलग होता है.
Yes.
From their natures are different from each other.
Definitely.
So how do you kind of? Is it like a lot of psychological? You know, do you keep everything in mind also? कि हो सकता है, for example, आपने एक plan बना रखा है, but you know that the celebrity is used to kind of jumping the plan and might just reach out to the fans.
Yeah,
So
this
are
is
you
there
prepared for
definitely.
every?
Yeah. With Varun Dhawan, it is always the scene. We tell him, भाई ये करना है, तो he does this, you know, or we are prepared. We are ready. कि he 100% wherever the event he goes into the crowd. He goes and meets them. He says कि आप लोग handle करो जो करना है, मैं जा रहा हूँ.
Yeah, he is like
Yeah,
that.
he's like that. He's like very friendly to people, and he understands कि fans उनके लिए वहाँ आए, तो he goes into the crowd. Yeah, he does.
But it becomes a nightmare for you, or you
No,
already
used
kind
to
of?
it. See, there is no threat to them. It's not a nightmare. There's no threat. It's just
But you
खाली
know-
थोड़ा दीवानापन है लोगों का कि they want to touch them and hug
But it
them.
can become, you know, when you're talking about, but when it comes to like hundreds of people wanting to touch them, then that itself becomes a little.
No, but we have certain circle around him.
Around,
Yeah. We know what Varun is going to do. Whatever I plan doesn't work with him.
doesn't work with it.
Absolutely doesn't work with
But that is also planned then. कि-
Yeah, I am ready. I tell the guys, boss, ये एरिया में पहले से खड़े रहो कि मेरे को I'm sure he's going to come here. तो पहले से मैं वो सेट करके रखता हूँ और वो जाता ही है वहाँ बोले बगैर.
Alia is nothing like that though.
No,
Alia follows.
नहीं, Alia follows का नहीं. Alia देखो, Varun is a guy, you know, he can go jump into people, we can touch him, you know, hug
Right.
him. With the ladies, it's not
It's a
possible.
little-
Yeah, it is
right.
little reserved. You know, they have to maintain, and we need to make sure
Right, right,
nobody
right.
touches them.
True.
So this जो भी female artist, they don't do all this. A male artist, they'll find Ranveer Singh jumping.
Jump,
Yeah,
always,
Varun
yes.
does this. तो ये लोग करते हैं. बाकी सबको पता है कि कैसा रहना है, क्या हो सकता है अगर if they go in.
Right,
Not
right.
right.
But has it ever happened that, you know, there's been a security, like you said कि शाहरुख सर के साथ एक बार हुआ था, उस टाइप का कभी ऐसा हुआ है where you felt that things are really out of your hand?
That was the only time.
That was all.
That was the only time. Because it was not an event where we planned barricading, security should be here, X, Y, Z. It was a religious place we went into.
Correct,
Yeah.
correct. So it had limitations
Yeah,
also.
limitations, yeah. We had the security, we had police with them. लाठी चार्ज हुआ है वहाँ पे जब शाहरुख सर गए थे, मेरे को लगा है वो लाठी कहीं भी घूम रही, मेरे को हाथ पे लगी है.
Oh my god.
हाँ, तो वो वही एक सिचुएशन था, बिकॉज इट वॉज नॉट अ इवेंट प्लान, यू नो. जाना था रिलीजियस जगह पे, वो गए और वहाँ पे क्राउड इतना, फ्राइडे नमाज का टाइम 12:30,
Right,
पूरा मस्जिद में लोग हैं, दरगाह में लोग हैं, अजमेर के लोग आ गए सुन के ही इज कमिंग.
right, right.
टोटल कियोस्क था वो.
Right. And इसमें से कोई ऐसे celebrities हैं जिनसे आपको लगा है कि, you know, like who have really inspired you also as a person, कि this is something that, you know, कि इनमें ये इतनी अच्छी बात है कि you learn things from them.
शाहरुख
you know?
सर ऑलवेज,
Yeah?
ऑल द वे शाहरुख सर. यू जस्ट इंसान को आप खाली देखो, ऑब्जर्व करो, ऑटोमेटिकली यू लर्न थिंग्स. मतलब क्या बताऊँ मैं उनके बारे में, आई मीन बहुत कुछ है बोलने के लिए. ये इज़ लाइक लोगों को कैसा रिस्पेक्ट देना है, किससे कब कैसी बात करनी है, यू नो, वो टेम्परेमेंट एकदम लो रखना. कि देयर आर hundreds of people surrounded by hundreds of people.
Right.
टेम्परेमेंट कैसा लो रखना है. किसी की अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो वो डायरेक्ट जगह पे नहीं बोले, अलग से बुला के बात करें, समझाएंगे तो भाई ऐसा किया, बी केयरफुल.
Right,
दिस
right,
इज द
right.
क्वालिटी ही हैज, एंड आई ऑलवेज लुक्ड अप टू हिम. और मैं जो भी 15 सालों में सीखा हूँ और जो भी मैं कर रहा हूँ लाइफ में, वो उनके साथ में जो 3-3.5 साल जो मैंने काम किया, वो मैंने उनसे ऑब्जर्व किया और बहुत कुछ सीखा.
Right. तो उनके लिए अगर आपको एक वर्ड यूज करना हो तो how will you describe him?
ही इज़ अ कंप्लीट फैमिली मैन.
Okay.
Yes. मतलब wherever he is in touch with his family. So that's what I've learned from him. कि wherever I am, मेरा बनता है कि मैं मेरी फैमिली को फ़ोन करूँ, पूछूँ आप कैसे हो, क्या है, वो मैंने उनसे सीखा है.
Okay. One word for Varun Dhawan.
उसके लिए एक वर्ड तो नहीं, बहुत कुछ बोलना पड़ेगा. I mean, very mischievous guy, very mischievous.
Alia Bhatt.
You know, my younger sister, I can say that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Arjun Kapoor.
He is very, very smart, very witty. He's too good. He's one-liners.
Yeah.
Yeah, Arjun Kapoor.
A lot of people don't know about his humorous side, but
Yeah,
he's
और superb is superb. आप उनके साथ बैठो तो सिर्फ हंसोगे. सिर्फ
Right.
हंसना, yes.
He was on a cover the last month.
Okay.
So we did an interview and he actually surprises you because you expect him to be very this shant,
And he
ekdam-
really takes
and
care of his staff, Arjun Kapoor. मतलब वह आपने खाना खाया नहीं खाया, तुम लोग पहले खाना खा लो, अभी बहुत काम है, इसके बाद टाइम नहीं मिलेगा. वो ये सब चीज़ें ध्यान रखते हैं और स्टाफ को कहते रहता है, बोलते हैं. I've seen him many times doing that.
Great. Thank you so much for talking to us on
Thank
Film Fare Middle East.
Thank you. And the first client was Shah Rukh sir. He's a complete family man.
Okay.
Yes. मतलब wherever he is in touch with his family. I had security for Alia, and I take care of Varun Dhawan, Arjun Kapoor, Dharma Production. All this. I check the venue, then in and out, then plan A, plan B, plan A entry, plan B exit. All those things have to be worked out and has to be kept here. So
Right.
according to the situation, I use it and I take them out or take them in whichever way it's easier for us.
One word for Varun Dhawan.
Very mischievous guy.
Alia Bhatt.
You know, my younger sister, I can say that.
Arjun Kapoor.
He is very, very smart, very witty. Superb. आप उनके साथ बैठो तो सिर्फ हंसोगे.
Great. Thank you so much for talking to us on
Thank
Film Fare Middle East.
Thank you.